So I set up the printer and I ran a couple of test prints. So we've got the cat, which is one of the ones that came on the SD card that came with it. I could have sanded the bottom of it. Okay, so now what I've got printing is an octopus that with its legs dangle and stuff. So as you can see, we've got some stringing here. I'm going to do a lot more research. I'm planning to upload a lot more with 3D printing in the future. I'm hoping to make a full like Mandalorian armor set, maybe even Iron Man one day. But before we get there, I need you guys' support. If you subscribe, that'd be super helpful. Like the video for the algorithm. That's pretty much it for today though, because I want to get tuned in with this. Alright guys, so the faceplate finished printing, and as you can see, there were some massive lines in there. That can probably be sanded down and fixed. Don't really want to have to do that because those are some really big lines. And up here, it's going into it. Up here, so as a big deal, I could just sand it down. But down here, it's like massive lines in there. So it does look fairly good. And it was a decent first print. So I'll do something with it. But there was a problem with the printer. When I moved this bar up and down, it was all jerky and nasty, and I couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. I took this whole part right here completely apart. I took this out, this down here I unscrewed multiple times. I took this part out, took this out. I took the entire thing out. I tightened and loosened all the wheels here and stuff. The solution ended up being ridiculously simple and honestly really annoying. It was these two decorative pieces right here. See, I got them right here. They're on this side. On this side, if you look, they're not touching anything right here. It's kind of hard to see with the camera, but on this side, there's two little screws down there that apparently is barely hitting, and that shouldn't happen because it's built to have those on there, but apparently it was messing it all up. That's fixed. I'm gonna print probably the back piece this time, just so I can put this on, kind of see if it all fits together well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'll catch you guys up whenever I print the back plate, and yeah, we'll see what happens then. Alrighty guys, so I reprinted the mask, and honestly, it's looking a whole lot better. Still got some lines, they're not nearly as bad, and those will be way easier to sand down and get looking nice. So I will work on this, get this to look real nice and smooth, and I'm gonna do some more testing, trying to get it looking way better. But yeah, this is what it looks like with the supports on it. I had it leaned slightly forward with the supports in the eyes, and it turned out really good, I think. Still got those lines in, but I think I can get those ironed out for future prints. And this will be real easy to sand because the whole front of it pretty much is just perfectly flat. So that's pretty much it for this, and I'll update you with the next thing.